Hey, my guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Tato, good shot photography. Hey, bana, re mona my, kwa my, mona na mo twenty Zululand, mona Gauteng. Mona mo jwa nama, kwa nyama epheli kuphenya amazilo wendoda. Hey, hey bana, we are here, we are waiting for our friend Dr. Malena Hoya, kwana gaming ya Chiefs. Wapala Sundowns le Kaizer Chiefs ke Wednesday bafethu akabeke man ke nakwani early ane
Yo,
sesinecala
from
kwana
also
ane
way to Moga,
sesinecala
giving your Chiefs the Sundowns. Hey, one of them 12 man. What traffic is wa? Oh, hi, since we start, I'm on at 5:30. From 5:30 in chat. Boy, hi, you just traffic like game, but hi, good luck, sir. No, you must sell it now, no. And then 6-9 in Geta.
Indlela inkombele nakamhlaba uyalingana sengithwese ngesambulo leli phupho lakudala ngiyalifisa ukulifeza sengithwese ngesambulo leli phupho lakudala ngiyalifisa ukulifeza abize bonke ngabagama kabe kabikhona 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 wasizikhukhula zihambe nezibonga thelandi manipulate sasilasa wasizikhukhula zihambe nezibonga thelandi manipulate sasilasa wasizikhukhula zihambe nezibonga thelandi manipulate.
I feel today we plant me a hole, man. When I'm Zanzi. Lona la ibone, apala Chiefs man. Yeah, Chiefs it's me a hole, man. It's a team Tata Stadium. Really Harabeke. Not so tournament like it's sold out. Now why? You're one. I'm talking about why, man. FNB Stadium. I feel oh Marawai. Vous travaillez pour faire la sentere. Ah everyone, FNB Stadium. Ma bona mase kaofela. It's like bona TV mo. Mona ga FNB Stadium. Manje ke bona ke bo mama na ba interview mo ile class ke coach ya Sundowns ya bona ntse ba interview ngole nna ke coach ya Chiefs ka bo etsala e ba wa tsebe ntho tsa bote mo fethu ke na thato so ka o tlala hantle e batho ba ngata jwang ka ntle ka kwa. Hello baby girl, re mona ntsung FNB Stadium ma chiwa bona mo FNB Stadium mo ba tlo shiballa Chiefs le Sundowns. So far ke tsona chima tsala Chiefs fela sana sa tswa bone go se yo ho plant ba 57 re mona na bona ke tsama ke le man baby girl what's on trying lo yena ba isa man baby girl ai mara he what's on taba shapa taba no taba monat Shapa batho a sheno khathetse go shapa khomutse ga sheno khomutse wa don't bona go shapa khomutse na
la khomutse tsa video call
I wanna tanto tsa mtaungitse tsa mtaungo pulo modi ba fethu ba tsama ga pura ma it's number 13
Ay,
Color scheme. Bafana Chiefs e tlatsa stadium le ha rabeke. E tlatsa stadium le ha rabeke. Bona ho tse jwang. Bona ho tse jwang. Ba bangata ka ntle ka mona o tlatsa o timole. Ya. Ay. Pussy for life. Money, boy. Hey! Ah, re fumana moetsa. Ke motho ya tshwa yone, just number 5, just number 13 pule modi. Kolo na la iponela bana. Ntse Chiefs fela ka mona. Bona. Sundowns ke yele mole ka 57 supporters. Then the rest ke Chiefs Chiefs. Oh iponela le. Le mo dimi ka mole. Goal.
No ke half time, ke man Canadian man. Let me crazy is here to bless us with music. Let me crazy ke na bless ka music bana bathi no mtsadi manolo wa ake
Mani. No.
Ayaba mona ba introduce Lebo Mabuye. Hopola nakwana Lebo Mabuye na ka lo fitla Chiefs ke monana he. They were introduced to defense. I was live there in little moon of it. Ka mahlo ka madi ka nama. O tlo mona tsamaya ntjaka kena na re feel ntjaka ba fethu yo wa tseba kutaba yo matala ngwana matala.
Mani. phakathi lengoma eScoopy ingubo zilokishini iyasho ephasini endodo nje phakathi la elethini eScoopy ingubo zilokishini iyasho ephasini endodo nje phakathi la engoma eScoopy ingubo zilokishini iya 1, 2, 3 Going home, Mina, going home, going home. Dekaya, 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 phakathi lengoma eScoopy ingubo zilokishini iyasho ephasini Happy New Year! Happy, 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 happy! Lengoma baby girl, second half yaqala mola FNB Stadium. Second half yaqala mola. Akusha fast. Lujwa batho kasheni, lujwa batho, lujwa batho. I'm not sure.
Lots of Majolo gave me a Sundowns. Ilenya fela 0-0. Mwana na Sundowns sana sawa. But Arozo must fall. Something like that. Hey man, please don't forget to subscribe. This is Blanco Tato. Stay tuned.